Realistic 3D social media profile ID card images are currently going viral. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create them for your social media accounts and apply your own face. All you need are two things. First, a prompt and the Bing app. First, open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on Images and then click on Create. After logging in with your email, you will see this page, and you can type your prompt right here. Use the prompts I've shared in the description. Copy and paste them, and you can also change the social media name and your name. Then click on Create. Click on the image to preview, select the one you want, and click on Download. Next, open the website named remaker.ai. Click on Face Swap. Upload your generated image, and upload your own image for face swap. Click on the Swap button and preview the image. If you are satisfied, simply click on Download to save your image. If you are interested in more AI tutorials like this, like the video, and subscribe to my channel.